Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export your Basecamp data. All right. For example, you have multiple projects right here, and then you're going to want to go ahead and export your data so that you'll be able to use it on a different platform or a different CRM. So what do? So first up, go ahead and log in to your Basecamp account. Okay. Now make sure that you own the projects, and then once done, go to the top right, click on admin land, and then here, just go ahead and just scroll all the way down. And under here, under account owners, you will have export data from this account. So just click on it. And then once done, as you can see here, when you're done setting this up, Basecamp right here will email you a download link that'll include all your data in a website. You can open it in a browser on your computer and click through anytime. Every project gets a folder with all the images, PDF spreadsheets, docs, and etc. all in one place. As you can see here, I've just recently exported a file or a project. That was only a single project. Now, if you want to export all of your data, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on select all unarchived. So it says here unarchived. If you have an archived account, okay, I'm going to rephrase it. If you have archived projects, you can go ahead and unarchive them first if you want to download them in one go. All right. Now, once you've done unarchiving them, you can go ahead and select all unarchived. And then once done, just go ahead and click on export my data. Just wait for it. It says here we're bundling up the export for you. It's just pretty fast depending on the size of your project. Okay. As you can see here, mine says download my export. But if you can't wait, don't worry. As it says earlier, you can just go ahead and check your emailing service that is tied to this Basecamp account. And you should be able to see the exact same email. Okay. That is it. Just click on download, save it wherever you want. And then once done, check it out if you want to, right here. Double click on it. Here you have the files. Okay. And that is how you export your Basecamp data. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.